Simple 3-step skincare, morning routine. Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel Skincare and Beauty Tips. If you want fresh, healthy, and glowing skin every day, then this video is especially for you. Today, I will be sharing a simple 3-step morning skincare routine, easy, inexpensive, and suitable for all skin types. So let's glow together, but first don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips each week. 1. Cleansing. Begin with clean skin. The key to glowing skin is cleansing. Think of it as cleaning out all the grime, oil, and pollution that clog your pores. How to do it properly: wash your face with lukewarm water. Use a mild, sulfate-free facial cleanser. Massage it gently on your face in a circular motion for 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly and gently pat dry. Don't rub. Cleaning twice daily, morning and night, keeps your skin clean, smooth, and blemish-free. B-roll. Face washing, bubbles, clean towel, glow reveal. Toning, balance, and refresh. Toning comes next, an extremely underrated but wondrous step. Toner tightens your pores, normalizes pH balance, and leaves your skin feeling invigorated at once. How to apply: dab a couple of drops of toner onto a cotton pad or onto your hands. Pat it lightly over your face and neck. You can even apply natural toners such as rose water or green tea toner. They are ideal for daily use and smell divine. Pro tip: refrigerate your toner for a cooling, refreshing effect, perfect for oily or acne skin. B-roll: applying toner, rose water spray, smile. Moisturizing, lock the glow. And last but not least, moisturizing, the final step that locks everything in. Regardless of skin type, moisturizing keeps your face soft, hydrated, and glowing all day. How to do it: apply a small amount of moisturizer. Use it gently in circular upward motions on your face and neck. Pick your moisturizer smartly. Oily skin: use gel-based or oil-free. Dry skin: opt for creamy, rich texture containing hyaluronic acid. Combination skin: apply a light lotion. Don't forget hydration. Glow. B-roll: moisturizer close-up, applying to face, smiling reflection in mirror. Want extra glow? Drink water, sleep 8 hours, and never skip sunscreen even indoors. And there you have it, your easy 3-step daily skincare routine. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Those are all you need for fresh, radiant skin on a daily basis. If you enjoyed this quick skincare tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Skincare and Beauty Tips. Stay confident, stay beautiful, and keep glowing naturally.